There's been some promising developments overnight on the world's search for an effective COVID vaccine, and I wanted to give everyone a quick update on where things are at. Firstly, late yesterday, researchers developing the AstraZeneca Oxford University vaccine reported that their trials are showing that their vaccine can be up to 90% effective against COVID-19. Now, that vaccine is already being produced right here in Australia, under the arrangements we set up by our very own company CSL in Melbourne. And I got to see that firsthand last week when I visited the plant in person to see that process underway. The vaccine investments we've made on the recommendations of our medical experts, led by Professor Brendan Murphy, look like they're really paying off. Combined with the news that Pfizer and Moderna last week reported preliminary results from late-stage trials showing that their vaccines were almost 95% effective, it's clear that the world really is on track to roll out this COVID vaccine next year in 2021. Now, for our part, we've signed on to 5 schemes that secure enough vaccine doses to protect the whole Australian population at least 3 times over. This has been key to our strategy, as recommended by our medical experts, to pursue a multi-vaccine strategy. It means we'll hopefully have a range of effective vaccines that can be used by different people. And they're all looking very promising. In fact, the AstraZeneca, Oxford and Pfizer vaccines we've signed advanced purchasing agreements with are 2 of those vaccines in the most advanced stages of trials. And through the global COVAX scheme, we'll be able to access doses of other successful vaccines. The advice I have is it appears as if all our contracted vaccines are on a pathway to being successful, safe, importantly, and effective, including our very own from the University of Queensland, which is beyond our best hopes, because there's never been a coronavirus vaccine before. With doses already being produced by CSL, it's our hope that we'll begin to roll out a vaccine early next year, once it's been through the very strict safety testing and quality controls we have in Australia through the Therapeutic Goods Administration, or TGA, as it's often referred to. We've already said we will be making the vaccine free and voluntary, and we'll be working with medical experts around the country to help encourage Australians to take it up. So, in summary, as we head into the Christmas season, Australia's opening up. Today's news is going to bring further hope after Australia and the world have fought such a tough year. It's my sincere hope that we're another step closer to really beating this pandemic. I want to wish everyone out there all the best as we continue on getting through this together. Thanks very much for your attention.
Authorised by S. Morrison, Liberal Party, Canberra.